Billings, Montana. Headed to Bozeman, Montana. Morning, everybody. Hope all of you are gonna have a great day. Or if your day started, you're already having a great day. Made it to Bozeman. Out here doing a run. A little ways away from downtown where I stayed. But we're trucking our way back. I did not want to get up this morning. Alarm went off, hit snooze twice, eventually rolled out of bed. Out here hitting it in a cool 20 degrees. Headed back towards downtown. You can see the mountains in the background. It's a full moon right now, so it's lit up pretty well. Hell yeah, let's go. Let's go. What is going on, everybody? I'm here in Great Falls, Montana this week at General Distributing. They're a welding equipment and gas supplier for the wonderful state of Montana. Believe it or not, they're celebrating their 75th anniversary this year of family ownership. We are doing inside sales training for branch locations spread out the greater state of Montana this week. So I'm going to walk you inside, show you what we're going to be doing, and maybe review a few machines and processes or welding processes for the audience. Ooh, it's cool. Here we got the showroom. We got the man, Jason, on the phone. But this is where we're going to be doing the inside sales training here at General Distributing. We got the demo rack, is what we call it, with all the Fronius machines, including the industrial 3-phase units. So today, we are going to be training and reviewing the Transpocket 180, which is a stick TIG machine. The Transsteel 2200, which is a multi-process machine, stick, TIG, and MIG, 24 easy setup and adjustable welding MIG programs, and the AccuPocket 150, which is a battery-powered stick TIG unit. I brought some leftover EXO kits from Weld Metals Online. You can check out their website at Weld Metals Online to download, not download, what the heck, to purchase your very own kits. Not only do they have EXO kits, but they have soccer ball kits and a variety of things that you may need, including filler metal and welding coupons. The one thing about General Distributing is they don't hesitate on keeping inventory. Yes, our competitor Miller is well represented, along with Hobart, Hypertherm, but I do see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Fronius machines sitting here in Great Falls, and a boatload sitting back here. So we got some Hypertherm, some Fronius. Check it out. 1 AccuPocket, 2, 3, 4. We got some hidden gems back here and some more back here. What I like about it is they stock industrial 3-phase equipment as well. Check out those brand new Transsteel Pulse 4000 sitting there ready to be purchased. General Distributing's online platform is live, so you can purchase online, but also you can see what they have available in stock. So you know when you place an order that it's in inventory and you're not going to wait. So you don't have broken or not manageable expectations. So check out their online welding shop. I'll include it in the description below. Got the triple combo loaded up for aluminum. Got the double stick welders in the head house. Trial and tribulations. We got some oxy fuel cutting. Let's see if we get this guy going. We got a second group over here. Yeah. Got on the Transeo 2200, 4043, 040, 100% argon, set to a little less than 1/4 inch at 24 volts. The first arc drive. We got one of our nifty up-down torques.
Just a button.
Yeah, so I think you're turning your wire feed speed down while you're welding. So like right now you're at material pitch is 30 pounds.
Yeah, it went down quite a bit.
Yeah. So you can, cool part about this torque is you can upgrade the customers to it. So if you turn this flux up, you can hold it down, and then you can turn your. So you're 255. And then this one has a swivel head too. Okay. So you can swivel the head 360 degrees, but then you can also pull it off. Drain pocket 180, 85 amps, stick mode. We got Evan in his house, running a MK positioner. He's gonna lay down the
My hand started to melt.
That doesn't help. Woo! Yes, sir. Can you put a foot pedal on this? I don't remember.
Yeah. You can have an on-off switch or a variable foot pedal. You have a back curve you can run through here for gas. You can unhitch it, spin it around.
What's the cost of one of these things?
Boy, I don't know. Probably a couple grand, I suppose. 3 grand. That rate. But yeah, then you crank it up, and then if you need more juice, you can spin it up. Turn it all the way down. Reverse rotation. So if we were just going to light up and just go right in the middle of this guy.
Yes, sir. We are here tackling on the XO kit from Weld Metals Online. Did you weld that one up?
Yes.
Yep. That one was up too?
Yeah.
Got it. Yep. I think that's why you see the sag a little bit.
You don't want well downhill, do you?
Depends on if it's structural or not. Usually structural, yeah. You want to go uphill.
Yeah.
The only hard part about going uphill is you need a little bit more technique. So that gravity doesn't fight you.
Yeah, make sure you're comfy. Lean against this thing, otherwise you'll never do it. Alright, fair enough, ready? the screwing in. There you go.
Okay, got an XL kit, stick. Take one.
Little fast.
Yep.
And now I slow it down there.
Yep. Like right there.
Yep.
That's what you want to see the whole way. Like here you were going too quick, then you slowed down to the perfect speed. Then you went too quick here, and then there you were good.
Yeah.
Because you want it to fill in the whole.
Right.
You got it all grounded down. Okay. I think the weld results are going to be fantastic. What do you think?
I don't know. We're going to do the best we can.
You're on camera.
All right.
Where's this machine going?
This to a gentleman out here.
Oh, all right. See, it was meant to be that I was here.
Exactly.
Yeah. That was a wrap of the day. Whew. That was the wrap. Now I need to find my keys so I can start this truck and get rolling. We're gonna go get some dinner. But to wrap it up, my highlight of this day was the following. And the following was, I'll just put this in perspective. Okay, so I've been with this company a long time. And it's nonstop push, 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 opportunity, please, please, please. And today, for the first time, it really hit big time. And the reason for that is we were doing training with 3 vendors, Fronius, Miller, and a gas company, propylene gas company. And they split up in 3 groups and rotated every hour and 20 minutes. So I was like, oh, that's weird. I'm gonna be here with another competitive vendor, which I've done them before. They work fine. But in the past, usually you're making all this effort and the inside sales team is wheeling out Miller machines that they're selling that day. Today was different. You know why? Because they're wheeling out Fronius machine or machines that they sold during this training right past the competitor. And now they get to feel what I felt for the last 19 years. We have finally struck gold, my friends. We are on a move that's unstoppable. Look out. And it's confession time. So any of you that have been watching, you know that I've been working out like crazy with the 75 hard BS. Not really BS, but life-changing 75 hard. No. So I've been focusing on that. Healthy, working out. But I found myself addicted to vapes. And I'm telling you, they're addicting as all get out. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do one more and then I'm done. I'm done. But it's honestly saved me through the workouts and everything, because it's something to look forward to. But in the end, you're kind of destroying your lungs and setting yourself up for possible badness. But I definitely need to stop that. That's my confession. My mind is telling me, you're not doing abs. You're going to bed. You're going upstairs. Guess what? We are doing abs right now.